It's day one, and you're ready to start your journey. You just had your last meal. It was highly nutritious, everything you needed, and you're ready to go. So you decide to start fasting. You decide one day, okay, I'm going to start fasting. I'm going to give this fasting thing a try. What are the benefits of fasting? Okay, so what happens to your body now? You decided, okay, I'm going to give this fasting thing a try. We're going to see how this affects my body. Maybe it's going to help me out. Maybe I'm going to feel better. So what happens to your body along this journey? Humans were not made to constantly be eating all the time. We weren't, if you think about it, it's just like something that we just started being able to do is eat food whenever we want. Normally it's every few days. You'd have to go hunt for food. We were not used to eating as frequently as we are. We have not evolved to constantly eat. We have evolved to eat more sparsely. Humans have not evolved to eat every 3 hours or even every day. We've evolved to go long periods of time without eating, and it's highly beneficial for us if we don't. Not eating for a long period of time and substituting that eating with drinking water is called fasting. And what happens to your body? Okay, you've made it. Congratulations. It's been 12 hours. You've been drinking nothing but water and eating nothing. And your body has finally got a chance to start repairing itself. What's the first thing that starts happening? Your body starts releasing HGH, the human growth hormone. What is the human growth hormone and what is it so good for? This is the anti-aging hormone, the main fat-burning hormone. Heals joints, supports protein synthesis. Congratulations, you made it 12 hours. You made it to the 14 hour mark, and now what's happening is your body, your ketones are going up. And your ketones are pretty much going to help you repair your body, and it's going to help you burn the fat. It's going to start burning the fat reservoir. But yeah, your ketones are going up, so you've made it. Congratulations, the 13 to 15 hour mark. Congratulations, you've made it 17 hours. Now what you get is your cells start to do autophagy. Autophagy is where your cells say, okay, you're not getting any more food, we're not getting any more food, so we need to start getting food from inside the cell. So the cells start eating, they start eating all the bad stuff in your cell, and the cells start eating toxins that are in them, and so the cells are pretty much recycling themselves. It's at the 17 hour mark. That's called autophagy. So you got your hormones, human growth hormone is going up, HGH is going up, you got your ketos are going up, and your autophagy is starting to go up as well. So congratulations, you made it to 17 hours. Wow, congratulations. You've made it 24 hours. So now what's happening is the stem cells in your gut are increasing, and you're getting more. So that means any kind of gut problems you might have, any kind of damage in your gut, it's now getting replaced, or it's now getting repaired. And this 24 hour mark. And now you're also getting a protein called BDNF. So BDNF is basically like fertilizer for your brain. And so it's gonna repair your neurons. So any damaged dendrites from just things that are just damaged dendrites. When BDNF goes up, your serotonin also goes up at the same time. So when BDNF goes up, your serotonin also goes up. Also at the 24 hour mark, your inflammation goes down. So 24 hours, your gut stem cells increase, your BDNF goes up, and your inflammation goes down. So good job, you made it to 24 hours. Okay, you've made it to the 36 and 48 hour mark. Now what's happening is GABA is increasing, and because you have so much BDNF, your neurons are actually regenerating. So that means any kind of memory problems, this is gonna help out with that. Wow. Congratulations, you've made it 72 hours. You haven't eaten a thing, but just drinking water. That's really impressive. And what's happening now is the highest production of stem cells in your body, especially your immune system stem cells. So now your immune system is repairing at optimum at this point in time. So wow, congratulations. Now go eat something.